Wow. Hello guys, let's unbox this toaster oven with bread. It's good. Here's this toast bread. It's a toast bread. And the plate. And the toaster oven. Let's go. This one needs battery. Here's the working battery. So at the back, in the side, here's some from here to jump the bread, toast it. Let's try it. Let's put the toast and maybe I'll turn the settings on. So it's working. Timer is going back here to here. It jumps. Whoa, it jumps. And this turtle toast is ready. Delicious. This one, eat toast is ready. And one, let's make some smoothie sandwich, but I don't know how to make smoothie sandwich. It's okay from IT. Let's go with this. More toast here. Okay. You see? Wow, timer is really fast, 2 seconds back. Toast is ready, so very hot. Just be careful, it's hot here. See, I made it for toast. Delicious. Now, let's toast the heart waffle. So toast heart waffles. Okay. But just only here 4 seconds on the toasted waffles. Wow, it toasts. It really toasts. But see, wow, smooth, yummy. Our heart waffle is ready. Delightful. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe for my channel.